If your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV keeps turning on automatically or turns off by itself, then I'll show you some simple troubleshooting that will help you fix this issue. As this may be caused by some minor glitches, first we will soft reset our TV by unplugging it from power, then hold down the power button for 30 seconds and wait for another 5 minutes. After waiting 5 minutes before you plug it back in, make sure that the power cord is not damaged, and if you're using an extension cord, then you can try plugging it into a wall outlet, and if it's already plugged into one, then try a different outlet. Now you can turn your TV back on and hopefully the problem will be resolved. If your TV still turns on or turns off on its own, and you have HDMI devices connected to your TV, then they may be causing this issue. To check that, you can turn off HDMI CEC. So you need to go to home screen and from there open settings, go to connection and scroll down to HDMI and CEC. Turn it off altogether and see if that works. If that didn't help, unplug all your HDMI devices and see if it's resolved. If not, then next we'll check if you have any sleep timer enabled. For that, we need to go to settings once again. From there, go down to System and select Timer. Make sure Sleep Timer is turned off. Also, we'll go through Power On and Power Off Timer and make sure that they're disabled. Then we'll do the same thing to Auto Sleep and Auto Standby. And after that, your TV will no longer turn on or boot up by itself. But if the issue is still not resolved, then this may be caused by a hardware issue and you should contact customer support. Let us know if this helped, stay tuned for more and I'll see you around.